girls, it's Miss Nancy again. I'm going to be making a chili for you today. Right now I have a pot that I'm going to put on my stove on medium heat, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using today. I have green beans, I have chickpeas, I have the chili, the sweet corn, tomato soup. So we received all these items from All Faiths Food Bank with their generosity. So what I'm going to do first is pour in the chili. Now I didn't drain any of the liquids, so I'm going to add my tomato soup for a little more color. Let's stir that up. Now I have the green beans I'm going to add to it. I have the chickpeas. You can add any kind of beans that you like. If you have black beans or kidney beans, whatever type of beans that you have. And I have the corn also. So I'm going to add that. Remember, I didn't drain any of the juices, so all these juices are going to be included into the nice chili that we're making. Now I'm going to add some spices, of course. Whatever you like. If you like it a little hot, you could add some hot sauce if you want. Right now I'm just going to add some garlic powder or granulated garlic. Or if you have fresh garlic, you could saute that before you add all your ingredients. Some salt and pepper. This won't take long to make. There we go. Isn't that pretty? So this is going to cook down a little bit and get a little thicker. You could always add some rice to this, or some leftover pasta if you have that, white pasta if you have that, any kind of noodle. You could always add it to thicken up your chili. But I'm going to let this simmer a little bit and bring it to a boil, so it will reduce some of the liquid that we put in here. Hope you enjoy. Talk to you soon. Bye.